Welcome to the SLTC Research University podcast. Today we are excited to introduce our new student landscape. If someone's scared of taking this loan scheme, what advice you give?
So it's like this. This loan scheme is not something that you use a credit card and go to a coffee shop and you finish the money. It's or else if you can go to a outlet and buy a refrigerator or cooker and that's all. It's finished. This loan is a loan that you can transform yourself as a degree holder. So you are pursuing your dream with the money that is being given by a bank and support of the service. So this is a loan that you're going to have high earning potential in future by getting this loan. So there is nothing to fear about this loan. So there is a big phobia in the market. Loans are not good, but this is a loan which helps you to have a better income in future, to have a better career in the future. So without any fear, I would advise everyone to access this loan and make your dream affordable and easily accessible.
Thank you for joining us and giving all these details. We believe many will benefit out of this loan scheme.
Thank you, Angie. I believe so. It's my pleasure to be with you. Thank you.